This challenge is picoCTF. It's an easy level challenge from the general skills category in the beginner picoMini 2022 event. The description says, can you crack the password to get the flag? Download the password checker here, and you'll need the encrypted flag in the same directory too. All right, we have to create an environment where we can solve the challenge. So up over in the webshell, we're going to make a directory. This is going to be picoCTF, and then we're going to enter the directory with the cd command, cd picoCTF. And now that we're in this directory, we can download the files. So it's going to be wget, and then space, and then go back to the challenge page. And the word here is a link. We're going to right-click it and select copy link address. Then back at the web shell, we're going to right-click and select paste to paste in the address, and then hit the enter key to download the file. All right, next we need to download another file associated with this challenge, and then back at the challenge page, there's this word flag, which is also a link. So we're going to need to right-click and copy link address, go back to the web shell and paste it in. We can also use the Control-Shift-V keyboard shortcut to paste in the address. If you're using Mac, it's going to be Command-Shift-V instead of Control-Shift-V. All right, hit enter, and that's going to download the file. So we now have these two files in our directory, so we can now try to solve the challenge. So this is a Python file. level2.py is a Python file, so we need to run Python with level2.py. So Python space level2.py, hit enter, and it's going to ask us for the password for the flag. We don't know it, so we're just going to enter test. It says that password is incorrect. So we're going to read this Python file, level2.py, and we see down at the bottom over here, there's a function over here called level2 pwcheck. And what it's checking for is if the user underscore pw, which is the user input, is equal to these character functions. There's 4 of them. Then it's going to print welcome back your flag user, and then it's going to print out the flag. So we've seen these kind of functions before. So these functions inside of Python are going to print out a single character. And we can actually use Python to figure out what these characters are. So we can highlight from here, from the beginning of these character functions over to the end of it, ending with the closing parentheses. That's going to copy this string of character functions. And then in the console, we can run Python for the Python console, and then we can run a print function. So it's going to be print, and then the opening and closing parentheses. We're going to move over in front of the opening parentheses, and then we're going to paste in the functions. So it's going to be right-click and paste. That's not it. So we need to highlight these functions right here, and we're going to right-click and select copy. And then down here, we're going to paste. Okay. So we need to make sure that there is a parentheses right after print, and we have to make sure that there's a parentheses at the very end. Okay. And then we hit enter to run this command. And the output is 39CE. So this is the password we're looking for. So in the Python console, we can just exit by using this command right here. And then we can run Python level2.py one more time. and it's going to ask for the correct password, and we know it's this right here. So we can copy this, and then we can paste and hit enter, and then we receive our flag. So we need to highlight the flag to copy it. So just to make sure, we can right click and select copy as well. Go over to the challenge page, paste in the flag, and click on submit flag, and then we're done.
Hey there, HackerFrogs! Are you enjoying this workshop? Learning new concepts and skills? If so, there's a way you can support the channel, and it's totally free. Just click on the subscribe button below the video. Also, click on the like button. And if you have questions or comments on this workshop, please leave them below the video. Thanks for listening. And now, back to our scheduled programming.